Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of secant x times tangent x. At first glance, this looks like a product of two trig functions. So you might think we need to use substitution or identities. But before doing anything complicated, always check for a pattern. Ask yourself, does this look like the derivative of something we already know? So let's recall a key derivative. The derivative of secant x is secant x times tangent x. Now compare this with our integral. We are integrating secant x times tangent x, which is exactly that derivative. So instead of doing extra work, we can simply reverse the derivative. If the derivative of secant x gives secant x tangent x, then the integral of secant x tangent x must be secant x. So the final answer is secant of x plus c. Let's also understand why this works. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So whenever you recognize a derivative pattern inside an integral, you can immediately write down the original function. Quick takeaway, always check if the integrand matches a known derivative before trying more complicated methods.